I have an idea.
I have an idea.
I have an idea.
Me too.
Wait a second. I have an idea.
I have an idea of how we can manage.
I have an idea of what might cheer you up.
Call up a Hammerhead Corvette. I have an idea.
Frank, what's gonna happen to me?
I have an idea.
I think I have an idea.
Neil.
What?
I have an idea. Neil.
You need a way to get in there. And I have an idea.
I have an idea. And it's gonna sound crazy, but hear me out, okay?
We need to know why.
Well, listen, I don't know why, but I have an idea about who.
I have an idea. Hey, everybody! I have an idea!
We gotta get out of here. Fast.
I have an idea.
I have an idea.
Oh, no. Let's not do that, please. I'd rather die of cancer.
Guys, I have an idea. You remember what Dad used to say to us?
Never go into McGregor's garden.
Oh.
Wait a minute. I have an idea. Why don't we have Harry and Lloyd hand deliver the box to Penny?
I have an idea. Carl, would you like to throw Lucy a bridal shower?
Yeah. Sure.
I have an idea. I'll tell you a joke. If you laugh, you have to go out with me one more time before you move away.
I have an idea. I will give you this one and that one for that one. What do you say?
No. I have an idea. Hold this.
What you doing? I don't know.